Welcome to Onne. Increase productivity, automate tasks, and reduce your manual effort using Onne. This video will show you how to download Onne App for your business, group, or organization, and it won't take more than 2 minutes. Once you download Onne for Business from the Play Store, enter your mobile number and verify OTP. Enter your name. Select the business vertical that is relevant to you. You can choose from a list of free apps or paid apps. If you do not see the vertical relevant to you in the list, opt for the basic app. Enter your business name. You can always add additional features once you are inside. All paid verticals come with a 7-day free trial, so you can explore and experience all the features before purchasing the app. Don't forget to see the quick tour video on how to use Onne App.